I started up in the industry about 15, 16 years ago. I grew up with 5 sisters, and they was doing all the cooking in the house. When I got my own apartment and first daughter, and it was like, okay, what I'm gonna do, and I needed to feed her. I started cooking in the house, took a liking to it. I went to culinary school, seeing what was happening in the kitchen, working amongst other chefs, and I started meeting girls, and it's like, okay, I'm a chef, I'm cooking. And then from there, just gradually took to the kitchen life. So it was going nice, everything was going good. They moved me from Amputee Boucherie over here to Union Square location. I was working, the pandemic was just starting to happen. We was going into takeout and delivery. And I went home, I had some friends, we went to go light some fireworks. Every year I do a fireworks show. After the fireworks show was done, I had some extra fireworks and I lit one. Out of nowhere, fireworks just blew up in my hand. I was out of work, but my passion and my heart was still there because I'm like, I want to cook. How can I go back to cooking? What can I do is cooking without my hand. I just was staying in the house for like 1 week, 2 week and a half straight until my kids came and was like, Daddy, you know, let's get up, go to work, go try to do something. So I pushed myself and I was like, I need to find some type of way to get back into the kitchen. The doctor said to go reach out to Orthocraft, do out some prosthetic. I was out of work for a little while, trying to figure out how things gonna go, how I'm gonna get back into form of the restaurant world with one hand. So when I started working with Orthocraft, that's where I started to get a better vision, a better way of life. It's okay, now I'm able to get another hand, something to help me out, to do at least hold, the grab, a grip, and I got the prosthetic that was able to give me a different life, a different outlook, a different way at life. Because now, not only can I just lift things up, I can actually hold it. I can actually, my left hand is actually to be free now, so I can do more things, be more creative. After the accident, I actually came back and I started in our bigger location, which is Boucherie. And I was working there. After 3-4 months of proving myself, they transferred me here to Union Square location. What I like about Boucherie and being a part of Boucherie is the growth, the development. When I first started in this restaurant, I was a cook. And they was allowing me to build myself up and to build up to become the CDC of actually this location here. Chef here, and I'm doing what I love. Life goes on. It was hard, but I'm still doing what I love.